we've witnessed really goodwill in terms of our negotiation on the adequacy decision. Kenya has demonstrated that its Data Protection Act is robust. We have an independent data protection authority. So those are some of the advantages we have. But two of the issues that are emerging, and we hope they can deal with them, is one is the issue around definition. One of the things that the conversation is keen is to see us define political parties as part of sensitive data, and also trade union.
As a society, we are also pushing for citizens to understand and use the Data Protection Act as a means to achieving their rights. We do this mostly by disseminating information and even educating ourselves so that we have a lot of lawyers, IT officers, HR officers, people who interact with data, educating ourselves so that we can also serve the society in a good way.
It's taken a three-step approach of kind of working with the entire ecosystem. And now we are also expanding that. There's something Madam Immaculate alluded to about exporting Kenya lessons to Africa. I think there's a huge opportunity there because now we're also starting to work with other authorities and you're starting to see there's that need for expertise in those countries.
Compliance in such a scale is not easy. It's quite an arduous challenge, but you learn to be the office diplomat. And I think lessons even from how the commissioner did it, the same open door policy, engaging with people, and just making sure that you're creating as much awareness as is possible.